What I will say about these shoes, they're extremely comfortable. I actually went down half a size. I normally wear a size 11 in Adidas. I went down to a size 10 and a half, and they fit perfect. Yeah, plenty of room. I don't know what the other people online was talking about clamping down your toe, but I don't have that issue. The shoes are naturally wide. They look great. Love the suede material. The boost feels amazing. The boots feel great. I actually like the design. Look way better in person than they do on pictures. I don't think pictures do them justice. I love the gray, all the different types of grays. Love the pattern. I love the cage here. Feel like it locks the foot in a little bit. I don't have the other ones, the other Quantum, so I don't know how the Primeknit, but I heard it's feel loose. But this one, like I said, it's kind of like a caged in material, so it feels real good. Feels good in the foot. I think they could have went up a little higher on the tongue, because I think that may become an issue. But overall, great shoe. Love the way it feels. Very comfortable shoe. Feel locked in. Back in the day when I played basketball, would I play basketball in these? I don't know if I would play basketball in them. Even though these are the basketball version of the shoes, they still feel kind of like a lifestyle shoe to me. You see, still got movement. I don't know. I don't know if I would play basketball in these, but if you're looking for a performance review, then you might want to go on YouTube and search for a basketball performance review of the shoes. But like I said, back in my heyday, I played basketball, and if these shoes were an option, I don't know if I would hoop in them. I don't know. They're not heavy, but for a basketball shoe, they're kind of heavy. But they're not super heavy at all. But one thing I will say, they feel good on feet, and as far as walking, they feel real good. So it's definitely a performance shoe. But like I said, it's very close to being a lifestyle though. So hope that helps in your decision. But I didn't get these to play basketball in, of course. I got them to walk around in, and they look fly to me. Plus I wanted some high top Yeezys, so we got a pair now. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching another episode of Rituals. Hope you have a great day. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and smash that like button right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, so you've been looped when I post new videos. I do videos on car content, sneaker reviews, and money financial tips. I just wrote 2 books this past month. I'll put the link in the description below to my books. One is called Common Sense, a simple guide to money. The other one is how to grow your Instagram following organically. All right, with that being said, go get the books, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Y'all have a great day. Peace.